Good morning. Welcome back. This is Scott with Drummond Geometry, and it is Wednesday morning, June 28th. We're going to take a look at crude oil and the S&P E-mini this morning. And I think what we'll be able to do is look at these markets, and I'll post some videos later about kind of a play-by-play how things are unfolding, and see if we can look at C waves on the lower time period leading the way. Leading the way in terms of telling us whether this market is in a support area and it's holding, or if it's in a support or resistance area and it's breaking. To get oriented here on the left with the daily chart, you can see that we have a congested entrance bar on the daily chart, and we're right in this area of the weekly PL dot, down here below the weekly PL dot, but closed back up above it. And what you can see now, we can see this daily PL dot is sitting right on top of the weekly PL dot, and then just below that is the daily 1-1 low. So there's a lot of support starting to build right here, and if this holds, probably looking up here, test the high, or maybe a new high from this recent peak over here. And we're getting into the end of the month and the end of the quarter where these quarterly and monthly 5-9s down were. So it'll be interesting to see if we get up there, if we have a strong reaction in the coming 2 or 3 days before the month ends. And now looking over here on the right at the hourly chart, strong move up, moving sideways to lower. The daily PL dot is right down here. So this is kind of the target area, daily, weekly PL dot, for this hourly chart to move down. And then when we start to see an hourly bar close up above its envelope, close up above PL dot, then this corrective move down should be over. And I'll be updating this later today, kind of a play-by-play to see how this works out. But for now, I'm looking for this area down here to hold. And this is that daily, weekly PL dot. For crude oil, we are finding all this testing of the monthly envelope bottom, and it's still continuing to hold. Looking at the daily PL dots, the early indication that something's happening. Daily PL dots swinging up off of the main channel line here. So starting to show early signs. So this would be a very aggressive entry for a P&L trader. Prices should not get back down below this area, and we're seeing the hourly bars in congestion and starting to move up. If this hourly bar closes up above the envelope, up above the PL dot, then I'm going to look for a PL dot refresh, at least on the daily, and if not, the next target will be up here in the daily envelope top, and there's a 1-1 high also in this area. So this is a good opportunity to update this chart later today or tomorrow morning and show how this played out hour by hour, and give you an idea how these lower time periods are leading the way in terms of, in this case, showing that this support is holding. So that's it for this morning. We'll be back and show you how these things unfolded. If you have any questions, please let me know, and thank you for watching.